Welcome to the Sweet Scents videos. Today I will be showing you how I create the Margarita snap bar wax melts. The wax melts are scented with Margarita fragrance. In addition to the Margarita scent, mica was added to the wax melts to add a bit of shimmer effect when melting. After the wax melts have set up, I piped whipped wax to the top of the melts and added a wedge of lime on the top of the bars. Thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to check out our website at www.sweetscentshop.com. Have a great day.